Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is a reading specifically for those of my friends who have a certain someone in mind and they don't know what's going on, they don't know where they stand. For those of you who don't fall into this category, please wait. I will do your reading very soon. But this is specifically for my friends who are looking for answers. So let's see, Virgo, what are they thinking? Alright, they are thinking, what you don't see is the Knight of Wands. See, I always say Knight is a very, yes, it could be somebody younger than you that you really like and have passion for. There are two Knights here. You could be liking two people at the same time, Virgo. But I feel the kind of relationship that you're looking for from both of them or this person specifically isn't what they're looking for. They see you as a very I'm sorry, but this is what the cards are saying. Please don't mind. Please don't kill the messenger. They see you as a very boring person who's very argumentative. They do want to come towards you. They do find you attractive. That's there is no doubt about it. But they feel that there is a lack of understanding between you guys. There is a lack of understanding. They feel they can't have a conversation with you. This is the message I'm getting, that they feel that, oh, okay, it's nice, this person really is good looking, it's nice, he or she is attractive, but then I don't know, whatever I say, this person really shuts me off. So that's the impression they have of you. What should you do or what you shouldn't do? Let's find out, because that's not a very good feeling a person should have, especially if you like them. All right. So again, what you should do is start afresh with them. Start afresh doesn't mean that you pick up a phone and say, okay, today we start afresh. No, it means energetically give them the feeling that you're a changed person. You're not this person who always feel burdened, always feel a need to be very what do you call, defensive all the time. This is your lesson. You need to start afresh with them if you want this connection, is what I feel. Let's see a possible outcome, Virgo. If you want a private reading with me, do comment. I will give you my email and we can connect. Let's see what the possible outcome is. Alright, so the possible outcome is that this relationship, a lot of wands here. So there's a lot of passion, definitely, and this, you need to really, either they need to mature or they will mature, and they will offer you a lot of things, but they are really a community person. So that is why they are looking for somebody who can gel, who can sit with friends, who can meet the family, who can participate in community events. So they are looking for somebody, and that is the doubt that they have, that you probably are not that social. Please, like I said, give them a feeling that you are, give them a feeling that you think about people, you are a people's person, and you will see a change in this person. And then they are bound, for some of you, you will get a marriage offer also. So that is the possible outcome, I feel, if you make the changes. Do keep watching my channel for more updates on your love life, and we'll meet very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.